Hello everyone, myself Ruchi George Thomas. I am currently doing internship at SmartBridge. My project title is Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. A typical customer care chatbot can answer simple questions such as store location, hours, directions, and even making appointments. When the question falls outside the scope of predetermined question set, the option is to tell the customer that his or her query is not valid or speak to a real person. So in our project, there's an alternative solution. If the customer's question is about the operation of a device, the application shall pass the question to Watson Discovery, where it has been preloaded with the device's owner's manual. So here is how it works. The device owner's manual is the training data. It is fed to Watson Discovery where the training of dataset happens. With the help of Cloud function, we can integrate Watson Discovery with Watson Assistant, where we can test whether the queries can be answered by the chatbot. Now we can design a user interface with no-drift application. Now let's log into IBM Cloud. As you can see, I have logged in with my credentials, and now you need 4 services: Watson Discovery, Watson Assistant, Node-RED, and Cloud functions. Now let us open Watson Discovery. Click on Launch Watson Discovery. I have already created a user's manual. I have preloaded a user's manual called User Guide Echo B3, which is a popular residential thermostat. We can train the data by labeling the title and the text for various passages. Now let us take Watson Assistant. By clicking on the Intents section, we can see many statically created intents. Now let us integrate Watson Discovery with Watson Assistant using Cloud function. Under Code section, you can see a Node.js code. This Node.js code is used for integrating Watson Discovery with Watson Assistant. For the Node.js code to execute properly, we have to pass certain parameters. For that, click on Parameters tab. Here we can see certain parameter name and its corresponding parameter values. The parameter values can be fetched from the Watson Discovery under API section. You can copy these credentials from here. Now click on Endpoints. You can see an HTTP link. This HTTP link will enable you to fetch data from Watson Discovery and pass it to Watson Assistant. Under Watson Assistant, create an intent called Product Information. You can see I have already created an intent. Under the dialog section, I have created a node called Ask About Product. Open that node and you can see a Customize button. Click on Customize and enable webhooks. Now, let's try the Watson Assistant. Here, when I messaged a hi, it gave me a reply and it identified the message as under General Greetings section. Now let us test the Watson Assistant by asking a query from the owner's manual. Now it gave me a reply, which means that the document has been perfectly trained by Watson Discovery. Now we can build a user interface using Node-RED. For that, click on the Node-RED. as I have already created a node-RED, and now you can click on Visit App URL. You can see this is the node-RED flow editor. The form node enables you to fetch the data from the user, and it is passed to a function, and then it is passed to a customer care node. Enter the credentials such as API key, service endpoint, and workspace ID. Click on Done. Now, deploy your node-RED flow. Now, let's see the user interface. You can enter your queries at this space. We have also entered a query, how to do manual configuration. You can see it perfectly gives an answer, which means a chatbot has been built successfully. Thank you for listening.